Good morning. I'm really glad you could all join us. I know many of you who are here in person have come a long way, long travel, long trip. and so I'm grateful that you have come. For those who are here in person from Toronto, it's been so long since we've seen each other, so I'm so happy that you're here. And of course, for those people who are joining us virtually, thank you for joining. And too bad we're not able to see you in person, but hopefully you could join us. We will have other more conferences and meetings in future, so hopefully we'll be able to see you in person. So I just wanted to say that this is, of course, our first hybrid meeting of the entire project since we actually started this process about 3 years ago. Starting from when we began to conceptualize the idea of putting together Care Economies in Context project and submitting to SSHRC for a partnership research grant. So we were really lucky, fortunate in that we were successful in getting the SSHRC partnership grant. And in addition, we also received a lot of support and generous grants from the Hewlett Foundations, the Open Societies Foundations, and as well matching grants from the University of Toronto. Also as well, our institutional partners, Statistics Canada, the Women and Gender Equality Canada, and Oxfam Canada, and many other institutional partners have been really, really great in supporting us, providing us with, insights, also conducting very similar parallel project with our project. So it's been really, really exciting. Of course, we had hoped when we were sort of putting together this research project that we will be launching our meeting last August when we got the grant. But because of the COVID restrictions, we were not able to meet each other. We only had virtual meeting last August. So in a way, this meeting is a real hybrid, in-person, virtual sort of meeting for everybody in this project. So I'm really, really looking forward to the next couple of days. So what we would like to do over the next 2.5 days, kind of 4 things. First, it would be really great for us to come together to really get to know each other, particularly those people who have not met each other in person yet. So it would be really nice for us to really get to know each other a bit more. Second, it would be really great for us to kind of recap sort of where we are at in our project. Because of the COVID, there has been lots of starts and stops. And so it would be nice to sort of take stock of where we are and also to update each other on what you have been doing in each of your country teams. I know each team is at different places because of the different circumstances. So it would be really nice to just get a sense of where everybody are. And then third, it would be really nice to share sort of our work, research findings. If you have begun some surveys or research, we'll have hopefully we'll have opportunity to share our findings. And then finally, it would be really great for us to sort of discuss a bit about the next steps, some of interesting opportunities that have come up over the next year or two, and as well, share some of the challenges that we're facing despite the sort of lifting of the COVID restrictions. So we actually have put together pretty full sort of program agenda for the next 2.5 days.